In this video I'm going to show you how to share a story on Snapchat. So if this video did helpful, please thumbs up and subscribe my channel. So let's show you from beginning. First of all, open Snapchat on your iPhone or Android, then tap on stories in this bottom side. As you can see, here is all the stories suggest to you. Then tap on left side and it's open your profile, and then swipe up for story, my story. Here is two type of story, one story for friends only, second story for public. So I'm going to show you first friends only. Tap on friends only. As you can see, I have two stories. I already shared two story. Tap on three dot menu beside my story, then it's open another options, add to story. Tap on add to story and it's open another options. So tap on camera roll and it's open your gallery. As you can see, here is lots of photo from my photos, like I'm adding that photo on a story. If I swipe left or right, it will change filter. Then you can add some text from here like that. So you can place anywhere like that, and you can add music here like that. After that, tap on send button to share your story, and it will open another options, friends only and public. So you can share that story to public instead or only for friends. So tap on send button and it asking save and replace on your camera roll. So I'm not going to save this photo on my camera roll, so then don't save. So that photo share it to my story. As you can see, here it is. So if you want to add a story to public, tap on three dot menu beside public and open add to my story, and it's open another options, and tap on camera roll and select any photo like that. And you can also use music and add emoji like that. Just you can use your QR code like that. Then tap on send button and it will add it to your story. So as you can see, it's uploading, so you need to a few seconds. As you can see, uploaded. Just open. As you can see, it's uploaded to, it's shared to story. So that way you can share story on Snapchat. So pretty much that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know in comments. If this video did helpful, please thumbs up and share my video. See you on the next.